Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna try another Dutch pour. I haven't done one in a while because I was so frustrated with it not working. But I got inspiration last night and I thought I want to do a periwinkle with light gray as a base. This is just 90% white and 10% black. And this is white, blue, magenta, and a bright red. I will show you a picture of the paints I used at the end of the video. That will include also the brands. I got some black, white, a portrait pink, and no canela. I didn't get it from you, I already had it planned. I've got a silver, and I got a purple, which I mixed with a normal dark purple, a metallic purple, and a drop of blue, just to get it to match more with the periwinkle color I made, because it was a little bit too red. That's why I added the blue. So I'm gonna cover my canvases and I'm gonna do the periwinkle on the bottom, like so. That's gonna come here. And then the gray is going to go on the other side. And I will cover the canvas and I will come back to you. So, see you in a bit. So, my canvas is all done. Flooded and sides coated. So, that's good. Let me add the colors. Black. White. Portrait pink. Silver. And my purple. Okay. And I just remembered that I wanted to do a different kind of pour. I wanted to do 2 puddles and blow them out, but I'll do that the next time. My grays, I already watered down my gray like 3 times and it's still pretty thick. So I'm a little bit scared of what's gonna happen, but too late now. Let's torch the bubbles. Moment of truth. I'm gonna blow a little bit here, just a tiny bit. Maybe just a little bit here. I think I'm gonna blow this one out just a little bit farther. I don't like this little bit, so I'm just gonna gently try and get it to go there. Okay, let's try and blow it out. I want a little bit more, just a tiny drop. Not a good idea. My hair, I felt my hair go into the paint. Maybe that's better. Maybe it's just, not sure if I need to have something more here. Don't like this one here. Oh, there's more. Okay, let's torch it and see what comes up. Yeah, I think I'm done. I really like it. I'm probably gonna take just that little blob away, or I'm gonna, let me see if there's something underneath here. Yeah, look. I think I might make, see if I can make a couple more. Oh, there's nothing here. That's okay. So I'm gonna finish the sides and let it dry, and I'll show you the dry result. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.